Tuesday, our last day of Vegas. Sebastian's eating breakfast. I have my breakfast, so we're gonna wander on the strip. We're gonna go do Vegas thing soon? Yes. Yeah. Alright, dude, eat. Let's go. Seb, we're leaving the hotel. You got a couple hours left in Vegas. What are we gonna do, Seb?
I've gotta.
Wanna go explore?
Yes.
We're gonna go explore. With suitcases, but we're gonna go explore. We got this. Wait at the bus stop for a bus to come. It's hot, but there's a cool breeze. It's not bad. But check this out. Oh, on top of those mountains. That is? No. Interesting part of the desert. The weather is awesome. We're about to get on the Deuce. The Deuce?
Yeah.
The Deuce. Which is double-decker bus. There's the Deuce. That's the bus we're taking. On the Deuce.
Empty out your pockets, I need all that. I get the millions, and I fall back. They be chameleons, they'll change for some change. Days ain't the same, they be switching for the fame. Louis Vuitton, I'm in my bag, get how my memory's going. I've been hurting, rock like electric guitars. I be raging, big knots look like yellow pages. Running like a race, get in the way, Brody got the aim to blow you away. The next day you in the newspaper on the front page, praying for forgiveness cause it happened on a Sunday. Life's been getting to me, I just started smoking squares. They ain't getting in my circle though, we still prepared. I'm still dealing with some demons that ain't really there. Grew up a weirdo, 20 piercings and some bleached hair. In 7th grade I didn't have a bed, I had to share. The fuck you think I go so hard for, I got out of there. Have you ever had somebody try to take your life? Sometimes I ain't safe for myself when I stay up at night.
Sebastian, we're gonna go explore Circus. I like this one. See inside, Circus. What's Sebastian? Circus. Sebastian, what hotel are we at?
We're at the Circus Hotel.
What are we
We're
doing?
gonna have Popeyes for lunch.
Popeyes for lunch. Lunch. Sebastian's lunch. My lunch. Resort Row with Sebastian. Show more casinos before we leave. Resort Road. Side Resorts World. It's pulling a suitcase. We're gonna go check out the Wynn. Go to the Wynn and the Encore.
Pretty cool, isn't it? I can find fancy hotels. Yes.
Fancy hotels. What's up? Having fun?
Yes.
What are we doing?
We can explore more hotels if you want.
Well, what are we? What's up? We're going to hotels?
I mean, if you want to, because I'm starting to get tired.
He's tired. I need Sebastian tired. We have more time, more hotels to see. No time to be tired. What are we gonna sleep, Sebastian?
I'll sleep on the airport.
Exactly. At the airport. That's so nice, man. The Orleans trip is over, right, Sebastian?
Yes.
Where are we going? What are we?
Never mind. It will.
What are we doing?
I might tell that I will assume that it will depart at 9 or 10 o'clock.
Oh, to where? To Hawaii?
No, from Las Vegas to Miami, Florida.
Las Vegas, Miami, Florida. Going home. Back to Miami.
Yep.
Miami. It's 6 o'clock in the morning.
Night.
Oh.